This is a practice video for Incantations by Richard Meyer, the first violin part. So again, I'm going to jump around a little bit, help you out with some of the shifting. So let's start at 12. I'm going to play the upper part for the shifting. If you're playing the lower, you can still play along with me since we're in octaves. All right, so here's 12. 1, 2, 3. And then you should be able to take it from there. Watch your low ones for F naturals, G sharps at 27, and then it's the same thing at 29. Okay, skipping down to 44. This is very problematic for tuning. So in those rests, kind of pluck test quietly to find that fourth finger in third position. And then on the tape for your B natural, same two notes to start. And now this 1 needs to pull back to your high 2 tape. It's at A flat. And then the next 3 notes are the same. It's easy to let that D fall flat. Change over to the A string for low 3. Bring your 1 back up to the tape. It's now regular 1 again. Or you can shift down for the F natural and play the last 2 notes in first position. So in any case, put a tuner on that and make sure that you're staying in tune. All right, let's just do a little bit of the next page, 48. If it's tricky right now, single it down, don't do doubles. So 48, 2, 3, 4, 1. So your part jumps around a little bit more than the second violin part. So be careful, write some finger numbers in if it catches you off guard. And then, of course, keep practicing your shifting slowly until you can get that in tune quickly. Okay, then the rest of this page, really a lot of the same stuff. Let's check the rhythm at 87. So you climbed up in third position, and then here we are on this high D. So think in groups of 4, play it slow, make sure you're doing your bow lift, and you'll catch that. All right, 90, practice this very slow. There's a lot of accidentals here. 5/4 time with 1 sharp the key signature. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, now low 1. 2, 3. And bonus if you can get those accents added into that. Okay, so we're on the last page. I want to do 109 for the third position. Make sure that's in tune real quick. So actually 108, let's get into it. We're still in the key of with 1 sharp. So 108. All right, so my D sharp should have been higher. That was a little bit out of tune. And if you can't see those finger numbers, I should have added them to the top. There's just a lot going on that page. So you're going up into your third position, come back down to first. Here's 117, back to 2 flats, and 1. Okay, so I'm going to pause here for a minute. Be careful, your G flat, same as an F sharp at 126, that's a regular 1. Now, the way that I just played that note at 128, low 4, That's if you're going to do the bottom divisi, the bottom octave. So let's continue on at 129 bottom, and then I'll come back for the top notes. So here's your F natural, just come back to first position. And so on. So nothing too nuts there. Again, G flat's a regular 1. The G flat at 138, just high 2, like an F sharp, or low 3. All right, so here's the top divisi if you're looking to shift up. So here's 127, and instead of that low 4 at 128, you're going to shift up to a 2, and that'll be in 5th position. So here's 127 upper divisi. And then F sharp, we're going to go to another 2. Here's your A with a 4. So I scooted back with my 3. There you go. So if we need to write more fingerings in there, just come to me in the lesson. We'll work that out. So what I recommend is record yourself playing the bottom divisi and then play your upper notes on top of that to tune. Okay, and then the ending is just a lot of scales again, going back to 3rd position. Watch out for the A flat in 152, whether you're doing the upper note, so then a low 1, so you can get to the D and cross over, or stay in first, but then make sure this is a regular 3 to finish up.